Hey, this is Shay here, and for this video, I want to show you a campaign making up to $700 in a day to hopefully motivate you as it does for my students on a daily basis. I really love showing my students all the campaigns that I have running because it really encourages them to keep going and creating their own successful make money online campaigns. And you know what? I can help you do the same. You clicked on this video because most likely you are trying to make money online. You are looking for ways to make money online. And this is exactly what I can help you with. I've already done it countless times with thousands of students in the past who have gone on to make their first dollar online to now making, $100, $200 plus a day online. Some even over the $500 a day mark and beyond. It really just depends on what you do and how serious you really are. Because if you are serious, then make sure you watch this video to the very end. I'm going to give you an awesome opportunity that you can take advantage of. But just for now, I just want to show you this network that I use. I'm just going to jump in right now just to show you some of the results of a campaign that I recently just showed my students. I run all different kinds of campaigns and show all different stats as well. But this one specifically here in this network, it's been running for around 2 years straight now. And at the moment, it's just defaulted to the past 30 days. Alright, so we've got 30 days pulled up here. But I'll just cut this down and we'll go to, we're in October right now and today is the 19th. I'm just going to go back again to October and we'll just go to the first, we'll just look at this month so far because this month I've actually been pushing more traffic to this network specifically because the RPCs have really picked up and as I say that, you probably don't know what RPC is. Basically, it's a revenue per click. So with this specific network and many others, I've used more than 5 or 6 different networks now that earn similar amounts to this one. But what happens here is I'm actually getting paid per click. Alright, so every click that I generate onto my pages, I'm getting paid. And if I just take today, for example, I've sent 139 visitors to my pages. 68 of those have clicked down, which is a 48.92% click-through rate. And I'm getting paid $7.52 per each of those 68 clicks. So far today. So today we're only about halfway through the day and it's been able to do $514.52 so far. So a pretty cool day today, certainly doing pretty well, but I'm certainly hoping and expecting it to get up and perhaps even over this day here. Just a couple days ago on the 17th, it went up and over $708 that day. So I'll just scroll down here so we can see all 19 days. Alright, so just in the past 19 days, I'll just fit all that in. Hopefully that's in. Just a bit over $7,000 so far for the past 19 days, including the half of today. So if we look at some of the numbers, 250, 400, 400, again 464, 601, 328, 303, 658, 463, 389, 350, 420, 586, and we're back to the last few days that I told you about already. And as I said earlier, I'm opening this up to anyone who is serious, anyone who is looking for consistent ways to make money online and are genuinely serious about learning how to do it. I can show you exactly what I show my students, and that includes exactly how to run campaigns that produce results like this. And again, maybe you would be happy with just this one network alone. I'm sure many people would be happy with just that. If you're trying to make your first dollar online, then let's get you past that and get you earning $50 a day online minimum and quickly to $100 a day or more per day. As I said, I've already got many students up and well over 200, 300, 400, 500 plus per day right now. And I know I can do the same for you as well, but only if you are serious and only if you are willing to take action right now. And all you have to do to take action is click the link at the top of the description right now. You'll see right at the top, I've just placed a bit.ly link right there so you can click it and quickly jump over to my site. As soon as you've clicked that, again, you'll land on my site, and I'm just going to go there right now as well so I can show you what you will see and how to keep moving forward. So again, here on my site now, all you have to then do is enter your best email address right here on the site. In the email field here, enter your best email address there, then click the access button below that. And that's all there is to it on this page. The only other thing that is super important is to go check your inbox. Okay, I'm going to send you a welcome email which contains everything that you need to get started right now today. Alright, so as soon as you've clicked the Get Instant Access button, I'll also remind you as soon as you do that on the next page that you'll see. But just remember to go check your email address that you just entered in. I'm going to get you started over there. So don't only just show me that you're serious, show yourself that you are serious. Complete those quick steps right now, take action, and I'll work with you really soon.